హలో ఆల్. ఈ బెంగుళూరులో మేము ఎక్స్‌పోలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాము. లిఫ్ట్ స్టేట్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ నుంచి. అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మేము మాన్ డ్రైవ్‌ది డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్‌షిప్ తీసుకున్నాం తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్ర గురించి. అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 150 మెషిన్స్ లిఫ్ట్ కంపెనీస్‌కి సప్లై చేసాం. ఔట్ ఆఫ్ 150 మెషిన్స్ ఓన్లీ 1 మెషిన్‌కి చిన్న ఎన్కోడర్ ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఆ ఎన్కోడర్ ఇమ్మీడియేట్‌గా రీప్లేస్ కూడా చేసాము. మాన్ డ్రైవ్ మెషిన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో 5 ఇయర్స్ వారంటీతో వస్తాయి. అండ్ ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్ వస్తే ఆ లోడింగ్, అన్‌లోడింగ్ చార్జెస్ కూడా మేము బేర్ చేస్తాము. అండ్ రూపమ్ సింగ్ సార్ మాతో ఎంఓయూ చేసుకున్నారు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. అండ్ మాకు చాలా హెల్ప్‌ఫుల్ ఉన్నారు. అండ్ ఏ లిఫ్ట్ కంపెనీకి ఏదైనా ఇన్‌స్టాలేషన్‌లో గూడా ఇష్యూ ఏదైనా వచ్చినా, ఏదైనా వస్తే గూడా కంప్లీట్ సపోర్ట్ వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ హైదరాబాద్‌లో మేము ట్రైనింగ్ సెషన్ గూడా ఇవ్వబోతున్నాము. అండ్ రూపమ్ సింగ్ సార్, థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ అస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ యువర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ టు తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్ర. We are so glad that, we have not got any kind of issues, and that too at a very competitive price. Nobody else is providing at that price. How have you achieved it?
Yeah, see, actually, first of all, we are very much delighted to work with your company. And so once we get the motor, na, then it is not about the one-time business that we don't have to give the material to this, but work starts after sales service. So once we get every customer's after sales service properly, na, then he can able to get the machine recurring every month or every day. So what happens is, if we talk about the Gales machine, this Gales machine is based upon the technology of PMSM technology. So in this is based upon the cushioning effect. Like when the machine is moving, na, you'll not realize anything is moving. So uh, we are into this for the last 40 years. I mean, this is the second generation which is into PMSM technology. Earlier, we used to make the PMSM motors. Now, in the last 4 years only, we have entered in this market, the PMSM motors in this elevator field. So, right now, we have supplied approximately 150 machines to Avinash, and only one machine got problem, that is for error 20, that was encoder problem. So, we just send the encoder right away. So, at third day, the person said, yeah, it is okay, fine. We have received and
You forgot you have not sent one encoder, but you have sent 5 encoders, saying that, yeah, you keep the spares as well.
yes, yeah. So actually, what happens is the customer is God. If we are able to satisfy the customer, na, you will be able to get the good result out of it. So it is just starting. So we got the problem in encoder. So we gave them around 5 encoders so that customer satisfaction are the motive role of our company. Okay. So we send them around 5 encoders.
Sir, you mentioned that, coming months you're planning to have a proper training session,
Yeah.
for all the technicians, and also education session for elevator companies which are there in Andhra and Telangana.
Yeah.
So, why you got that thought, and what made you give this 5 years warranty?
Yeah. See, actually, when we think about the proper servicing about the gearless machine, na, so the erector, they are the person who should know for each and every aspect, in each and every parameter, the erector should know how to install the machine. Actually, if you talk about 100 erectors, na, 100 erector will say that we are able to install the machine. But out of 100, is everybody is able to certify that in every parameters is he able to get the performance accurate? Like it depends on the weight balancing and numerous parameters which the gearless machine's performance is based on.
Okay. So, sir, one more thing, like, so you are very much confident on your product that, that's the reason you are giving 5 years warranty. Yes, and we are very glad for that. हैदराबाद जैसा जगह में, मतलब आंध्र तेलंगाना मिला के भी, हाँ, गेयर मशीन ज्यादा चलता। हाँ, ये गेयरलेस का बहुत परसेंटेज ना, 15-20% लोग ही गेयरलेस मशीन ऑप्ट करें।
Yes, yes, yes.
आपका विजन क्या है, फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है? जैसा अभी हमको आप बोले कि बेंगलुरु में आप हमको सपोर्ट करेंगे,
हाँ.
तो हम बेंगलुरु में भी मटेरियल बेचना स्टार्ट किए।
Yes, yes.
तो बेंगलुरु में तो पूरा गेयरलेस का ही 90% है और सिर्फ 10% गेयर्ड है।
हाँ.
तो हैदराबाद का क्या फ्यूचर रहता है आपका हिसाब से?
See, actually, Hyderabad is right now growing at 21 CAGR level. So every elevators, every company right now 80% is geared and 20% is gearless. When you talk about this, it is increasing. Like every 6 months, you can say around out of 80% that is geared machine, it will be converted to less 70%, then 60%. It will take around 2-3 years. But it is that they proper should their erector and every person should know how to install the machine, because right now if
Okay, you are going to solve. You are going to have a training session in Hyderabad. So we will invite all the elevator companies. That is already there. And see now, if the market grows, like if 80% people, 80% of elevator companies start using these gearless machines,
yeah
कि global brands है,
uh,
ओके, नेक्स्ट चाइनीज, चाइना से इंपोर्ट बहुत हो रहा,
yeah
कंपैरेटिवली व्हाट डू यू थिंक, वेयर विल मॉन ड्राइव स्टैंड व्हेन द मार्केट इंक्रीजेस?
see actually we'll be starting from like base level. How? Like we will be holding Mondrive training sessions, Mondrive Academy at your lift rate at Balanagar at the first floor, so that every person should know how to install the machine properly. Okay. Now the second thing, if we talk about the various brands, like different multinational brands, so it depends how we have collaborated with the person, like erector and the panel. It is proper networking. One single person cannot solve the problem independently. See, if you talk about Otis and Schindler, they took years. So we are just started now. But we should have proper networking. Each and every person should get trained. Okay, he should get
So
trained.
that तो the training part will resolve.
Yes,
Because
correct.
we are going to train.
Yeah.
मैं जनरली ये ऑब्जर्व किया, मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है 2007 से, मैं भी लिफ्ट इंस्टॉलेशन करते करके अभी इस स्टेज में पहुंचा।
Yeah.
तो कभी भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आता मशीन में,
हाँ,
कि मशीन के साथ तो टेस्ट सर्टिफिकेट आ जाता,
हाँ.
मैन्युफैक्चरर को जब हम फ़ोन करेंगे, तो बोलते कि ये तो टेस्टेड मशीन है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
Yes, yes.
और जैसा मैं अगर बेच रहा, तो मेरे पास आते, तो मैं रिप्लेस करना पड़ता।
हाँ, yes.
तो वो हमारे लिए भी तकलीफ़ है।
हाँ.
आप हमको कैसा सपोर्ट करें और कैसा सपोर्ट करने वाले हैं, तो सबको आप ये भी बताएँ तो क्या है, क्लियर रह जाता।
हाँ.
उन
See,
लोगों को क्या बेनिफिट है?
एक्चुअली क्या है, जब अगर आपको ट्रेनिंग सेशन हम प्रॉपर दे रहे हैं, अब पूरा मार्केट इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन सर्विस ओरिएंटेड मार्केट, सो वी विल बी ऑल्सो डिजाइनिंग वन एप्लीकेशन। मैं आपको जस्ट थोड़ा बताना चाहता हूँ, एक आपका मॉन्ड्राई लिफ्ट रेट के एप्लीकेशन भी होगा, सो दैट लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लाइक जोमेटो ना, कि आपको विद इन 25 मिनट्स या 15 मिनट्स आपको फूड डिलीवरी होता, तो वैसे वी विल बी डिजाइनिंग वन एप्लीकेशन वेर एवर द पर्सन हुसोएवर उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसके अंदर वो बोलता है कि हमें एरर 20 आ रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट द कॉल टू योर बैक एंड सर्वर, तो वहां से आपको डायरेक्ट पर्सन ऑटोमेटिकली विल रीच इन नेक्स्ट 24
आपका
आवर्स।
सर्विस टीम कितना बड़ा है? हमारे पास तो हम हमारा टीम आपका सर्विस तो आपका ट्रेनिंग तो ले लिया ऑलरेडी।
यस यस
तो हम तो तेलुगु में, हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, हम सर्विस तो प्रोवाइड करेंगे एलिवेटर कंपनीज़ को। आपका कितना बड़ा सर्विस टीम है?
सी ए
और आपका फैक्ट्री किधर है, वो भी बताइए?
सर, हमारा फैक्ट्री राजस्थान खुशखेड़ा में है, इट इज नेक्स्ट टू मदरसन फैक्ट्री। ये अभी राजस्थान में है। और इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द सर्विस पीपल, साउथ इन साउथ ओनली वी आर अराउंड 9 people, so 2 in the Bangalore, 1 in Hyderabad, then is rest in Chennai, and the rest is near Vijayawada.
So
So
for Bangalore, are you going to do something? Will you have a special person for Bangalore?
Bangalore, we all for the last 6 months, we just started in last 6 months कि यहाँ पर हमारा सर्विस पर्सन एंड सेल्स पर्सन दोनों अवेलेबल।
ग्रेट, ग्रेट। सो इस मशीन के बारे में थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो ना, कौन-सा मशीन दिखाना चाहते हो आप?
आप ओके, सी आई कैन शो यू दिस। दिस इज this is around 15 passenger machine. Okay, this is able to carry approximately 1080 kg machine. So इसके अंदर क्या है, this is brakes. Okay, this brake is made in China. Okay, we use encoders of Heidenhain, and the pulley is of SGRN, and the rest, if you talk about the performance, this is the very best performance in the market. And not about the performance, but when you realize, like if you are standing in the lift now, you not realize anything is moving, it will be very smooth. If you keep a coin, it won't fall.
तो ब्रेक खींचने के लिए आप कुछ सिस्टम वो भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं?
Yes. In brake, we have the mechanical brake system. This will be like this, and with the help of brake lever like this, we can easily open and close the brake. Okay.
यस, ओके। और रेगुलर मशीन जो है जो 6 पैसेंजर का मशीन, वो भी दिखाइए सर।
Okay. 6 पैसेंजर मशीन आपको हम ये दिखाते हैं, आप आइए थोड़ा। This is for 6 passenger machine. Okay.
वो कम
Please come this side. Yeah. This is 6 passenger machine, and it is able to carry around 408 kg. and this is duty load is approximately 24 or 2.4 ton. That is 2400 2500 kg.
హైదరాబాద్‌లో అయితే గనక ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర ఏవైతే ఈ మెషిన్స్ ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసి ఉన్నాయో, ఆ సైట్స్ గూడా ఉన్నాయి. అక్కడికి గూడా ఎళ్లి ఒకసారి మెషిన్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ గూడా చెక్ జేయొచ్చు. అట్లానే మా ఫ్యాక్టరీలో గూడా మెషిన్ ఆన్ జేసి పెడతాము. అట్లానే అందరికీ గూడా ఒక ట్రైనింగ్ సెషన్ అనేది ఎవరికైతే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందో ఒక టూల్ కిట్ ఇచ్చి ట్రైనింగ్ సెషన్ అనేది ఒకటి అరేంజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దానికి గూడా రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సర్ వి హోప్ టు సీ యూ సూన్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్.
Yeah, okay, sir. Within next 20 days down the line, we'll be delighted to open the service center and Mondrive Training Academy to your Balan Nagar plant.
థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you. Take care.